The TRK extension identifies a GPS track file containing recorded GPS position data forming a geographic track or route. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, convert, or analyze these GPS tracking data files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted TRK files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. TRK files are GPS track data files containing sequences of time-stamped geographic coordinate points recorded during outdoor activities. They store latitude, longitude, altitude, and time data forming continuous tracks for route analysis, mapping, and activity documentation. GPS TRK files use various formats, depending on the source application or device storing sequential position records, with geographic coordinates, timestamps, and optional data, including speed heading, heart rate, and elevation. Common implementations include binary and text-based formats. The fundamental software link for TRK files is built around Google Earth Pro by Google. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows lacks support for coordinate transformations, so GIS software must manage these files. The solution starts by inspecting the application list. Right-click the TRK file and choose Open With. Use Google Earth Pro as your primary choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your testing. If your TRK file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The reason for the error is almost certainly the TRK file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, viewing tracks. Open TRK files in GPS visualization software, such as Google Earth GPX Editor or Viking GPS. These tools display the recorded track on a map with elevation profiles, speed analysis, and distance calculations for activity review and route planning. Next, converting to GPX. Use GPSBabel to convert TRK files to GPX format by running GPSBabel with the appropriate input format specification. GPX provides universal compatibility across GPS applications, mapping platforms, and fitness tracking services. Finally, analyzing activity data. Import TRK files into fitness analysis applications like Strava Golden Cheetah or Sport Tracks for detailed performance analysis. View pace charts, elevation profiles, and segment analysis. Calculate total distance, elevation gain, and moving time from the recorded track data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.